Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. If you are into data analysis or just want to level up your Python skills, then this is the right video for you, as we will be covering an amazing library known as NumPy. And as always, the video is divided into what, why and how parts, so make sure you watch it till the end because the most important part of the video of how we will be using NumPy is right there. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what exactly is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python and is a powerful library in Python. It provides support for large multidimensional arrays along with a wide range of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Now you might be wondering what are arrays. So before jumping into the why part of the video, let me tell you what exactly is an array. So in order to understand NumPy, we need to grasp the concept of arrays. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type. They are similar to our Python list. Now if you don't know about Python list, do watch the attached video at the end. Now you might be wondering, why do we need NumPy when we already have regular Python list? Well, NumPy offers several advantages over standard Python list. First, NumPy arrays are more memory efficient and faster than lists, especially when dealing with large datasets. Secondly, NumPy allows us to perform complex calculations with ease. It's a game changer for data scientists and analysts. Still confused? Let's clear up the confusion between arrays and lists. While both are used to store collection of data, arrays offer more functionalities than lists. Unlike lists, NumPy arrays are homogeneous, meaning all elements must be of the same data type, whereas lists are heterogeneous. This characteristic allows NumPy to perform operations faster and more efficiently compared to a Python list. Now is the time to roll up your sleeves and take a look on how to use the NumPy. So let's write some codes. Firstly, I will be showing you how to import NumPy. So we will write import NumPy and we will give an alias name as np so that we don't need to write NumPy every time. Now the very first thing that we will be learning is how to create a NumPy array. So to create a NumPy array, we will write np, which is our NumPy, dot array, and here I will pass a list 1, 2, 3, and if I run it, I get a NumPy array here. Now I will store it in a variable known as array1. So array1 is a NumPy array with one dimension. Now let's say I want to create NumPy arrays with 2 or 3 dimensions. So we will write np.array and here we will pass a list within a list. So I will write 1, 2, 3 in a list, and in another list I will write 4, 5, 6, and if I run it, I get a 2-dimensional array. Similarly, you can create a 3-dimensional array or an n-dimensional array. Now let's say I want to create an array within a range of numbers. So I will use the function called arange. I will write np.arange. We will give our starting element, let's say 1. And we will give our end element plus 1, which means if I need numbers from 1 to 20, I will pass here 21. And if I run it, I get an array in a range of 1 to 20. If I want to have the alternate numbers, I can pass the third parameter as 2, and if I run it, I get every second element. If I need every third element, I will pass here 3, and I will be getting every third element in the array. Now let's check the shape of the array. So let's store this created 2D array into array2, and this is our array2. Now as we already have an array1, we will check the shape of array1. So I will write array1.shape, it says 3, as it's a 1-dimensional array, so it will give us only a single digit here. Now let's check the shape of the second array, which is a 2-dimensional array, and it says 2, 3, which means we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Now if I want to change the shape of this array from 2, 3 to 3, 2, I can use the next function, that is reshape. So I will write np.reshape. I will pass the array2, the new shape which we want, that is 3, 2, and if I run it, Now I am having 3 rows and 2 columns. Now remember, reshape should always be the multiplication of these two numbers. So the multiplication of these two numbers is 6. If I reverse it, it will be 6. Similarly, here I can pass all the multiples of 6. If I pass here 6, 1, which is equal to 6, and if I run it, it will reshape the array. But let's say if I pass any other number which if multiplied by 6 is not equal to 6, then it will throw me an error. Let's say if I add here 3 and run it, it will throw me an error. Now let's say if I want to know how many elements are there in a particular array, I will use the size function. So I will write array2 dot size, and it will give me the exact number, which is 6. That is nothing but the multiplication of the rows and columns. And there you have it. I hope now you are pretty much clear why we need NumPy. If you are still confused, don't miss any of the videos of this playlist, as in the next video, to clear out your confusions, I will be showing you how we can perform amazing mathematical operations using NumPy arrays that you cannot do using Python lists. And if you want to know more about Python lists, click on the video on the screen and I will see you right there. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, share it to all, show a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button now. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.